Good evening, friends, and wishing you again. I hope you had a very nice Diwali and wishing you all a very prosperous new year. Diwali this year was very special to me because when I had my Diwali party on the 1st November, when we had over 200 people at home, and I was lucky it was a Thursday, Friday, and I got uh, very emotional, especially when my publisher, as a gift to me on Diwali Day, brought me the first copy of my book, which has now come out. And today, it was a very emotional moment for me that 4 years of my hard work with my team of Manju and Danish and Madhavan and everybody who was involved in the making of this book. And today I would like to share my first copy of the book with you, and I hope that you will like it and see it, and hopefully, when it's released, buy it or get it. This is the first copy of my book which I got, and I was so emotional when I got this. And it was lucky for me, and I'm blessed that it was first touched by my mentor, Mr. Vasu Shroff, who was there. And he blessed it, and I kept it at the feet of Sai Baba for the whole week and to bless it. And I'm sharing this with you on a very emotional level that this copy is now out. And hopefully by November end or December, we will release this book uh, internationally, and you will be able to get a copy of it and read it. So this is the first copy of my book. Along with this, we have made a video which will be part of the book, and this video will be also given to you with the book as a package in a box, and this is the beginning of it, what you will see.
I did it my way. My story of love, betrayal, regret, and wisdom. This is not a story of self-glory, but the story of the mistakes a man makes in his life that affects the lives of his loved ones. Born in Karachi in 1947, Rajan was born of a Punjabi Kashmiri father, Kashmiri Lal, and Jewish mother, Maud Benjamin. His paternal grandfather was special advisor to Maharaja Karan Singh of Kashmir. Seen here are his parents at the royal wedding with Maharani Gayatri Devi.
This is a brief preview of my book and the video, which is going to be part of the package which will come to you. Speaking about the book, of course, it took us about 4 years to do this, and this is a legacy which I'm leaving behind for the future generations, my family, my children, my friends, and I hope you will all get a chance to read it. It is about 615 pages, but 350 pages of this book are photographs which I think nobody has seen before, and they're from the time of 1940s, with which the photographs of which my mother had preserved and left behind to me as a legacy, which I will be sharing with you in this book, and you will get a glimpse of it, of these absolutely valuable pictures, and get to know what we went through in the last 50, 70 years or whatever it is. And we'll be releasing this book hopefully in November end or December. We'll release it here in Dubai, and we will have another release of it in Bombay because I have a lot of friends in Bombay, and we will be releasing this in Bombay with all the celebrities and my friends, and especially the foreword which has been written by Mr. Shatrughan Sinha. and it is dedicated to Sai Baba, my mother, and Mr. Sunil Dutt. This book is dedicated to them, and Mr. Shatrughan Sinha, who's been a very old friend of mine and mentor, has written the foreword along with testimonials from a lot of my close friends, including Mr. Vasu Shroff, Mr. Surinder Kandhari, Mr. Rizwan Sajan, Anupam Kher, Mahesh Bhatt, and various other friends of mine who have been associated with me during my journey. And for this, I hope that you will enjoy reading this. The first thought that came to me when I got the book and I held it in my hand on the Diwali night, especially Mr. Vasu Shroff held it and blessed it, I think was a great moment for me, because holding it, it was like holding your baby whom we have nurtured for 4 years, and to have it in your hand, a complete version of it, and then the video which we have made along with that when I got that, was a very, very, I would say, emotional moment for me. It was like you're actually delivering a baby for the first time and seeing your baby. It was a very, very, I can say, a very emotional moment, and actually I had tears in my eyes when I saw this book in my hand, especially on Diwali day when it came in my hand. And I put it on the feet of my mandir which I have of Sai Baba at home. I kept it at his feet for the blessings, and it was, and especially I had 200 people over there, and all of them saw it and were so happy. So it happened at a time when there were so many people, and all my close friends and associates were there, and they saw that, and they were so happy about it. And it was an unbelievable experience for me, and I think I'm very blessed to have got this book on that day when they were all my friends who were present with me, especially Mr. Vasu Shroff, who was there to bless the book. Let me go back a little. When I thought of the title of the book, what we were talking about, what should we name the book? And that old song of Frank Sinatra came to my mind. I did it my way. And actually, in my life, I have done things my way, all across the board. And I thought this would be a very apt title, and everybody liked it. So when I saw the title on the book actually physically there, it was so 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 emotional, such a happy feeling that I can't describe to you. And the final version was absolutely mind blowing, and I was absolutely in awe and taken away with it. And the feeling which I'm feeling as I'm talking to you is so emotional that I can't express it. But it's only for you guys. I've let it out when I leave it, when I release the book. That'll be the time it'll really tell the story of what my life has been about, and I hope it's a lesson for everybody to learn and see when this book is released. As I speak, we've done about 15 episodes of it so far, and in those episodes there were not too many pictures shown, which we have added later on. And just to make you go through it, this book has got, I think, about 350 pages of pictures. As you can see, that these are all the pictures which have been shown from the time my mother had collected them. And these are all the pictures which are there, as you can see, which you will see in the book. These are all the black and white pictures of my times which my mother has collected, and most of them are all this is all the story of my film experience, all my movies, all all the good times that we will see in the book. We are all with Mr. Rajnikant, Mr. Prabhudeva, all my moments which I have shared with you. Since we have done already these episodes, we are now going to recap this episodes with you by also sharing some pictures from this book with you, which we will be doing in the next in this episode. And I hope that you will get a glimpse and a like kind of a trailer of what is the book all about.